Hey everybody, it's Saturday Scribbles again, and today we will be working on a bullet journal cover from a design that I found on Pinterest, and I've linked the original artist below. And I like this design because it's very simple to do. It's just a crescent moon shape, and if you have trouble drawing crescent moons, just draw a circle first and then take a chunk out of the circle. But the original artist had a pretty chunky crescent moon, and I really liked that. It gave you a lot to work with. And then they put a winter scene inside of their crescent moon, and I did almost exactly everything that they did, just to show you that it may look like it would take a long time, but it was very doable. So it didn't take very long at all. And granted, I did have the outline done, but that only took maybe 2 minutes to do. And I showed 2 different kinds of Christmas trees. I showed the ones that the original artist had, which are kind of rounded off, fluffier looking, and then I had the kind of Christmas tree, or I should guess they're not Christmas trees, winter trees, pine trees, spruces, whatever they are. I drew one in the style that I normally draw them in. And I also changed up the stars a little bit. Not only is this simple, but I don't know. I just really like it. I hope that you guys like it too, and that you find it relaxing to draw. Something about all of the hills, the waviness of it all. There are no complex shapes, except for the stars, I guess, but everything's just very simple and straightforward. There's not a bunch of detail. So just go in and sketch it out, and then outline it. And you can do any kind of scene you want inside of a crescent moon. I think it would be awesome, no matter what it was. You could do something like this. You could do it without the cabin and just do a bunch of trees. You could have a mountain in the back, and then the starry night. You could do a galaxy in watercolor inside the moon. All of those would be really nice ideas. And I'm outlining this with a Sharpie pen like I normally do. And then for the night sky, I used a Faber-Castell ink brush. And then for the stars, I used a Uniball white gel pen. And so I'm just going in, adding in the details and writing out December, and then we'll be right back. So this is the finished product. Again, I really like it because it's so simple. I think it might be cool if the background, if you did a really light gray or something that would just make the snow and the white pop more, or maybe just do a thicker outline around the crescent. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.